Karbi Anglong Kang Sumindar Soarlo Arani Katalon VGP Mohila Morcha pen Kibi Ajay Mek Along CM Tuliram Rong Hang Chitong Dun Lama Pak Phokep Angri Sikang Thur pen Karbi Anglong District Mohila Samiti ben Sertadin Karcho ke Pajut Amai Pik ke Pangcheng Hamran along the International Women Day Alira Champion Katalon Dun Kardom Karbi Pam Talong Penit Bilta Hanbang Thare Harmony Pen and Biltang Don Pen Arjecta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rong Hang Teleponar Cap Arni BGP Mohila Morcha Pen Dipu Joy Singh Dulu Auditrom Hall along Kepadu Sumindar Soarlo Arani Katalon along Chitong Dunsi Soarlo Upon Inghoi Phokep Kerai along Chedon Dun Pusi Ningje
BJP Mohila Morcha Penta Therepo Nerkeparni Difu Joy Singh Doloi Auditorium Hall along Somindar Soarlo Arni Talondun Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ACM Tuliram Rong Hang Alang Lita Soarlo Phan Kepathea Mai Pi along Chetong Dunsi Difu along Kuti Asia Tangka Pen Women Hostel Kimji Pusi Lamjir along Jaisi Soarlo Phan Phan Phokep Inghoi Kerai Kom along Chedon Dun Pusi Ningje Monita Kaya long Pinso Panchot Kali Soarlo Phanta Manpeng Kipikenang Sot Puta CM Rong Hangasang Ho Ningjetu Non Hejong Dehradun along Kepado National Master Games along Serup Anonge Kelong Dun Kacheteron Pi Pokhila Inti Pi Nirmola Terang Pi Sampri Terang Pi Atunga Phanta Karcho Asai Dengpon
Difu District Mohila Samiti Pen Diripi Lapen Aro Amayatum Pak Phokep Alama Ang DC Ingthursi Sertalin Karcho Katalon ke Pajut Amai Pangcheng Pon
Paro Kresir Kebra Trok Aningkan Chiki BC Asang Pimar Difu Rong Supi along Karbi Anglong District Mahila Samiti Amhang Patheksi Soarlo Lapen Osomar Parman Kachesong Pangcheng Karbi Anglong District Mahila Samiti Pen Songarta Ningkan Phokep Kepleng along Pachetonsi Therepo Nerkebar ni Pen Therepo Kep Arnian Sertalin Katalon Kapajut Arongaje Lama Pak Phokep Angrisi Kangthur Pensi Nithom Sertalin Katalon Kapajut Arongaje Katalon Towar Thoponlo Karbi Anglong District Mahila Samiti Amai Phi Kiron Kalita Lapen Aro Amai Bang Phiatung Angrisi Pak Phokep Alama Inthursi Sertalin Katalon Kapajut Arongaje Pangcheng Lapen Laso Aphijo Karbi Anglong District Mahila Samiti Abidisar Turulota Borwa Pensi Karlitang Atumaphan Kachikimo Angdeng Japon
Arning Kanwang Ason Thotsi Pinning Let Hotta Hamran Hiti Akimi Multi Utility Building at Hengno along Hamran Mohila Samiti Lapen BGP Hamran Town Mohila Morcha Chelang Pet Pen International Women Day Katalon na Berta Peranki Hundor Group and Birta Napale
Adab lama kang thur pensi jaimek pangcheng ponlo laso phi ason ke pathu kilun ki kan kachipate hai huita padu ponthu ani kang sam porphai hini apor malompen rat amai pita padu pon Hamren Town Mondor Mahila Morcha amai phi sang piso priya ing hipi pen mai kachipa hempu pon mai long EM Rup Singh Teron aluhi sarpo aman pen chitong dun mai along BJP West Karbi Anglong District amai phu Arun Terang Purnu Ronghang Hamren Town Committee dun mai phu Hetsing Rongphar Socheng VDC amai phu Roman Pator pendanglok ongdung ki theke ding atum chitong dun
Non malong support Birta Mu ton ponik sena
This is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper, which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case, it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice and the vote gets recorded. Now this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose, but in the polling station this control unit is kept with the presiding officer and these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment, so that whenever the voter casts his vote, he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now what happens is, once the machines are set in the polling station, in the beginning we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that the votes are counted through the control unit and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT and they are tallied, just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4. He just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it simultaneously we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds, and simultaneously there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically what the VVPAT does is it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice.
Yeah.
Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. This was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent, requests a returning officer under section 56T for a recount, the commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the controller. So this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere, because a lot of time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere, and this is hacked, this can be hacked and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust and machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem. That's just not possible.
Right.
Aturkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 AM to 1 PM. Atur Kimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Atur Kimi Society.
Ini siksa kelapa nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Pipot lo nangina chusir ham tamle ini su.
Ini siksa kelapa nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok tahun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, no along Karbi beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma, konat lo lake.
Di fo ATR lo Iron Bridge adung rong supia long ke chengsi sopin so la pesor lo tu kapamada dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, ke chengsi sopin so la pesor lo phat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rong Harpi, Rong Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong kapadar ipin pinang humrig nun.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinamu piputat bertalong wangtulo. Baguria long kaboha 36 regiment. Lapen Romowe police tum chelang si theri ni phaisir cap arni Romowe adung. Rebia kro arong along. Pen inut abang phu risim pen kenep kangnang abirta. Kat news along birta nang pale.
Romowe adung bibia kro arong along inut risim kangtang kyo abang phu. Kacepa chong po birta kelong pen 36 regiment lapen Romowe police atum chelang pen angkang isi chekom damsi kirika kurukasai padopon. Bangso kirika kurukasai ke padopon ahut inut hon thememe aron repen risim kangtang keot abang phu phan Romowe police station ausi moblik brahma pen neping nang pon kenep kang nang pon ahut rong asarta chetong dun apithu risim kangtang keot abang phu amen jackson rong hang pusi pangtheklo keton kelang ari deng kaching nang check risim kangtang keot abang phu kedam tangar ni aron repen tangka ke hang paruhum kenep kang hu hei hui ke klem abang phu lo lapen arlo ke doa songa tuma phan kacherap dun abang lo putak pachini ari deng pen pistol ebong lapen heliamu kereng a hemalong pen longpon pusi birta long dun
Westgar Benglong dongkom kamalong theri ni phai troxy arni kang sampor phai plia por malong pen town and country planning pen rong supia located ke pen ke pakla arji aphan fifth finance commission pen sanitation vehicle hand post la pen dustbin long sir cap along rong supi ke pang thir ji aphan Assam state minister Piyush Hazarika arideng pen ke pajir pon abirta pherang ke pen birta nang pale
dongkamungkam rong supia long town and country planning pen rong supia long ke ter ke hai hoi ke warji aphan sanitation vehicles la pen hand post hai hui ke ron ang parta dokamugam town hall along fifth finance commission pen ki kim kirang ponji aphan sika kuti trogra lak thomke batangka panong si state minister Piyush Hazarika la pen Karbi anglo Autonomous Council CM Tuliram rong hanga tumpen rong eki sompato la pen self help group atuma phanta kaching thur ji aphan Karbi anglo Autonomous Council pen sika suri kep ki pi ponji aphan rada thengno lam the ki jai pon pado
কৈছে আমি আধা কিলা কৰি ৰাজনীতি নকৰো আমি আধা কিলা কৰো কাৰণ কাম হ'ব লাগিব আধা কিলা কৰিলে কাম হ'ব আধা কিলা নকৰিলে কাম হ'ব নেকি মই আপোনালোকক যে এইকেইটা কথা ক'লো লাইটৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকক লাইট দিম ইয়াতে আপোনালোকক ড্ৰেইনৰ কাৰণে পইচা দিম আপোনালোকক মহিলাত্মক সহায়ক পইচা দিম আপোনালোকক ৰাস্তাৰ কাৰণে পইচা দিম আপোনালোকক পানীৰ কাৰণে পইচা দিম ইয়াৰ এটাও মিছা কথা কোৱা নাই আজি আপোনালোকে লিখি কওক মই কেতিয়াবা আকৌ ডংকালৈকে আহিম তেতিয়া আপোনালোকে উঠি পেলাই কোনোবাই কৈ দিব যে আপুনি নাহিব মিছা কথা কয় আপুনি নাহিব আপুনি মিছা কথা কয় মই আকৌ কৈছোঁ এই কাম কেতিয়াও নকৰোঁ এই কাম কৰিব নোৱাৰোঁ সেই কাম কৰিব নিদিওঁ
Karbi Prime Tamang la Pasikang Ton Ponigla Dumi Thakme Kurwang Thu